How to create empty translation or use auto-translate feature. To begin, I opened an English subtitle and a video. To create an empty translation subtitle, just go to Tools and select Make New Empty Translation from Current Subtitle. Now you can click on any of the lines and translate the line to the language you want. When you are done, to save the translation subtitle, just go to File and select Save As and save it. And if you change the original English subtitle, go to File and select Save Original Subtitle. Now let's create a new project and use Auto-Translate feature. Just go to Auto-Translate tab and select Auto-Translate. Here set the From and To languages and click on Translate button. Now a new translation subtitle is created, and it is only needed to adjust some parts of it. And saving the translation and the original subtitle is like before. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.